In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the phone number in your Gmail account in 2026 using a PC or laptop step by step. This is really useful if you got a new phone number, switched carriers, or just want to make sure your Google account recovery details are up to date. Updating your number helps keep your account secure and makes it easier to recover your account if you ever get locked out. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser on your PC or laptop and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you straight to your Google account settings. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account where you want to change the phone number. Once the page loads, look at the left-hand menu and click on Personal Info. This is where Google stores your basic account details, including your phone number, name, birthday, and contact information. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Phone. Under Personal Info, click on the phone to open your saved phone number details. You should now see your current number listed there. Next to it, click the edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. This tells Google that you want to update the number on the account. If Google asks you to verify your identity, simply enter your Gmail password when prompted. This extra step is there to protect your account and make sure nobody else can change your information without permission. After verification, you'll be able to continue with the update process. Now, enter your new phone number carefully in the field provided. Double check the country code and make sure the number is correct before moving on. When everything looks good, click Next. Google will then send a verification code to the new phone number you entered. Open your phone, check your messages, and type in the code exactly as shown. Once the code is verified, Google will save the new number to your account. After that, your Gmail account phone number will be updated successfully. At this point, it's a good idea to go back and confirm that the new number appears correctly under your personal info section. That way, you know the change went through properly. And that's it. You've now changed the phone number in your Gmail account on PC or laptop in 2026. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.